Imagine looking at your nails and seeing them healthy, strong, and completely free from any sign of fungus or breakage. No more hiding or feeling embarrassed by damaged nails. If you've tried countless treatments with little to no lasting results, stay tuned, because today I'm introducing a solution that could completely transform your nail health. ProNail Complex. So, what makes ProNail Complex stand out? This isn't your average treatment. Made with 100% natural ingredients like tea tree oil, essential vitamins, and herbal extracts, it targets the root cause of nail fungus and weak nails, working from the inside out. ProNail Complex isn't just about temporary fixes. It's designed for lasting recovery, helping your nails look and feel healthy over the long term. Now, imagine the results. Picture your nails becoming stronger, more resilient, and visibly healthier. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. With ProNail Complex, not only do you tackle existing fungus, but you prevent it from coming back, while rebuilding and nourishing your nails naturally. And if you want even faster results, ProNail Complex also offers a capsule option that speeds up the healing process, benefiting both your nails and overall skin health. If you're ready to restore your nail health naturally and effectively, then ProNail Complex might be exactly what you need. Don't settle for temporary solutions. Invest in something proven and safe. The link to the official website is in the description. Start your journey to healthier nails today and see the difference for yourself.